The word too. To indicate excessiveness, too much, too many, too expensive. This task is too much for one person to handle. There were too many people at the party, making it crowded. The price of the product is too expensive for my budget. To indicate agreement or similarity. Me too, you too, too right. Me too, I love that movie. You too, I think you're absolutely right. Too right, that's exactly what I was thinking. To indicate also or in addition. Too much, too late. She is coming too, so we will all be there. It's too late to cancel the meeting now. I too enjoy spending time at the beach. To indicate a negative consequence. Too bad for, too difficult. It's too bad we couldn't make it to the concert. Too bad for him, he missed the opportunity. The exam was too difficult for most students to finish. To express an overwhelming amount. Too little, too soon, too strong. There's too little food for everyone at the party. It happened too soon, and we weren't prepared. The perfume was too strong for my liking. To indicate a high degree or intensity. Too much to ask, too good to be true, too tired. It's too much to ask for him to finish the work today. The deal seemed too good to be true, but it was legit. I'm too tired to go out tonight.